Hello, my name is Amre Amer, and I want to work for SpaceX. One of my projects was to build a GPS tracking program where I can stick the iPhone in my pocket, ride my motorcycle on a track or in a path, and then come back and watch and see how I did. Oh, I did work for Microsoft when they were putting out XP. They were creating a database that would actually track each package with a COA, Certificate of Authenticity. I always wanted to be James T. Kirk. I built this prototype for a little sensor that you put on your backpack, like a necklace. So let's say you're in a parking lot at night or you're going to your car. If somebody sneaks up behind you, it would vibrate on your backpack, so it's kind of a safety thing. And another one was for firemen, where if say you're in a smoky hallway, with the ultrasonic sensor, it can tell you which part in front of you, what's open and what's not. So it could basically tell you where you can go and not hit a wall. When designing UIs, user interfaces, my goal is simple and intuitive. I have a lot of experience with client-server prototyping, setting up different data schemes, even using text messages as a way to store data and email. Even though he's got billions, he's freeing up his patents. It's a different attitude of the future. The sleeping giants are now waking up. At ChargePoint, I worked on some prototyping, for example, how to guide a driver in a parking lot from their car to an electric vehicle charging station. And the app had arrows on it, left and right, and then the distance as it counts down till you get there. I've worked with offshore programmers, so coordinating with a different team that's on the other side of the world. At Apple, I worked on their POS system, point of sale, and we worked with some very big code. I learned a lot there. I also learned about MySQL and Oracle, working with huge databases, and how to monitor many servers. To me, a drone is just an iPhone with a new sensor. Thrust. Yeah. The next step for drones is when they start carrying people, and that's where SpaceX comes in. Sensors I worked with: gyro, compass, GPS, ping sensors, which are proximity sensors. Whenever I watch Star Trek: The Next Generation, I look at those UIs, those controls, and I think they're really cool. And what a great job that would be to design those, right? But at SpaceX, those are real. So you're doing it for real. How cool is that? I love how SpaceX is making this rocket that lands like a drone. Finally, we're not wasting big boosters. I mean, watch any sci-fi movie. That's how it's supposed to be done.